Today I'm going to show you how to copy a file using AWS S3 in N8N step by step. This is a super useful workflow if you want to move or duplicate files between S3 locations without doing it manually. It can save time, reduce errors, and make your automations much more reliable. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple N8N walkthroughs. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your N8N workflow and look at the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can search for and add the service you want to use. In the search box, type AWS S3. Once it appears, click it to add the node to your workflow. After you add the AWS S3 node, you'll see the available actions for that node. From the list, choose Copy a File. This is the specific operation that lets you duplicate an object from one S3 path to another. Now it's time to configure the node. You'll need to provide the required details so N8N knows exactly which file to copy and where to put it. Start by selecting or creating your AWS credentials if you haven't already connected your account. Then fill in the source information such as the bucket name and the file key or path for the file you want to copy. Next, enter the destination details. This is where you want the copied file to go. Make sure the destination bucket and the file path are correct, because even a small typo can send the file to the wrong place or cause the operation to fail. If your setup includes a new folder name or a different file name, add that here as well. Once everything is filled out, take a moment to review your configuration. Double check the source bucket, destination bucket, and file names. When you're confident everything looks right, click Execute to run the node. N8N will now send a request to AWS S3 and copy the file for you. If the setup is correct, you should see a successful execution result in the output panel. From there, you can continue building your workflow, use the copied file in later steps, or connect this node to other automations. And that's it. You've now learned how to copy a file using AWS S3 in N8N. It's a simple process once you know where to find the node and how to configure it. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next N8N tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.